Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for West Central Will County in northeastern Illinois until 3:30 p.m. At 3:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located north of Manuka, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Joliet and Elwood around 3:10 p.m. Crest Hill around 3:15 p.m. New Lenox, Manhattan, and in Gulf Park around 3:20 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Orland Park, Tinley Park, Mokina, Frankfurt, and Frankfurt Square. This includes University of St. Francis, Channahon State Park, Chicagoland Speedway, Route 66 Raceway, Joliet Junior College, and Joliet Slammer Baseball, including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 246 and 254, Interstate 80 between mile markers 123 and 149. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.